Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to receive help on managing your bookings in the Hotels.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the how can we help you section, click on the I need help managing my booked trip button, where you can confirm, cancel or change your booked trip, and you can also check on refunds and so on. And if you click on it, you will see that two options will be given. So you can call this number and ask help directly, or you can check their website where you will find further information on anything. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.